Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss about the hierarchies. So what hierarchies are, basically, let me give you an example. So if you have a location data, so let's say in that location data we have the country. So under that country we can have the states, and under the states we can have the cities. Same in the date table, under year we have the months, under months we have the week, and under week we have the days, right? So now how these hierarchies are used, that we will see in our later lectures, but for this lecture we will just see how we can create hierarchies in Power BI. So if you remember, we have created this calendar table. We have a data, if you remember, so we have a data and we have created this table using some transformations. So here we have the year, we have the month, and we will have the days as well. So how we can create the day column? So we will just select this, we will go to add column, and under the date section we will see that we can take the day as well. So I will just click on day, and Power BI will automatically give me the days. Now similarly I need the weeks as well. So from this days I will take out the week also, so week of the year. So now in this table we have the year, we have the month, then we have the week of year. So I will just drag it and put it in here. So you can see we have the week, and under week we have the day. Now let's create the hierarchy. I will name this table as my calendar table, and I will go to home, and I will click on close and apply. Okay, so now this data is already loaded. Let's see how we can create the hierarchies. So if you come to this pane, you will see all the data sets here, but we don't need to see these things now. All we need to do is go to the data modeling tab, and in here what we will do, we will just collapse this, and then we will come to this calendar table, and within this calendar table we will click on this year, we will right click on this year, and you see create hierarchy option. So I will go to create hierarchy. It will create one hierarchy for me. Okay, so you see the hierarchy is already created, and if you expand this option now, you will see that we have a hierarchy here, and under this hierarchy we have first the year. Now what I want under this year, I want the months as well. So what I will do, I will click on this and I will drag this on this year hierarchy. So if I do it, what will happen, this month will come to this hierarchy as well. So if I now come here, you will see that under year we have the month. Now what we need the week as well. So what I will do, I will just put the week also in the hierarchy, and the week will come under this month. Yeah, and then we will take the day as well. We will take the day and we will put it here. So once I do that, you see now my hierarchy is created, and I will show you how we can use it, to create graphs, and we will definitely use it on our graphs, and when we create the actual dashboard. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.